grass, dude.
Huh?
Who cut the grass?
I do.
Huh?
I do.
Who cut it?
In the front?
Yeah.
That one dude, the Gus brother. Why?
Get out here.
I need to be getting out here.
Right now?
Grass fucked up. No, hell no, not right now. It's too fucking hot for that shit. So y'all niggas to curry up. Oh, man. Damn. Somebody did that shit on purpose. Some bullshit. Man, fuck that. Goddamn me.
Where y'all got that?
Ugh, oh, stank. Oh.
Where y'all got that?
Now, them one Cheryl them was sleeping on. That little girl's pissing on. Ooh, shit. She gonna be on YouTube. I said her name on YouTube. Goddamn.
You know, recording?
Hell yeah.
You tripping.
They're pulling my shit out. I'm showing y'all my shit. My shit fresh, ain't it? Yeah, that shit fresh, nigga. So we got that big swanger up there. You see that bitch, nigga, that 150. The big swanger right there. Look at that motherfucking Benz. Sneeze on it. Shit's hot, man. Walking around ain't doing, got a goddamn. We got some, I don't know where the fuck they got them from. Man, I ain't checking nigga stacks, bro. Shit. It's kinda junky back here. Y'all wanna see the motherfucking piece, man? This bitch. Bling bling, ho. Right there. Zoom in on that shit. Nigga twisting his shit up looking real ugly and shit, you feel me? Knocking niggas. Goddamn me. Shit.